here we go. We're going to shave 9-month beard off with above the tie H2, Barrister and Mann leviathan, and Simogue brush. Couldn't think of any better way to teach my son how to shave than shaving this thing off. It's not all coming off though, because we have to go to a trunk or treat, and I'm playing Shaggy, so it's gonna look a little long in the front. Alright, I am doing some terrible prep. My beard is dry as straw, but we gotta get this started because the other 3 kids are in there. Alright, here we go. This is definitely one of my favorite soaps and favorite scents. This is kind of a old recipe from Barrister and Mann. Alright, so that should be about good for getting the bulk of this stuff off here. Alright. Above the tie, H2, Atlas handle with a Gillette nacet in it. Pull taunt, and here we go. No pressure. It's pretty gross. Get rid of that. I'm going to clog the sink up for sure. Keeping the skin taut. Going with the grain of the beard here. Not going for perfection yet. Here we go. Feels good. Newborn baby skin on there for sure. Mustache here. Stretch it out to make some funny faces. Going with the grain still. That's pretty nasty. Flip her over here. Not 100% sure what Shaggy's goatee looks like, but we're probably gonna have to trim this bag all down. Because I look absolutely absurd. And look at that. That's just not alright. Well, that's what 9 months of growth looks like for me right there. That's ridiculous. We're gonna leave that alone for right now. I'm gonna get some reference pictures here in just a minute. But we're gonna go with our cross grain pass. I need some more here. Most of that soap got caught up in the beard. That's like the So the entire time use zero pressure, otherwise you will cut yourself. I don't think I cut myself on that first pass, which would have been easy to do. Put some pressure on it because that H2 is pretty aggressive. Here we go. Got a bit of a tug here. I always think it sounds like a zipper. And my hair grows like this down here, so I'm gonna go again. Cross the grain, which is up for me. I did, caught myself right there. Come in at an angle. Yeah, buddy.
Do you want me to stop it?
No, keep it going, buddy.
Okay.
Everyone's here. We'll get some leviathan.
Oh my god!
I know, it looks absolutely ridiculous, right?
Mm-hmm.
Luckily, it won't be like this for long. Trunk or treats tomorrow. Alright. So that's that. That's how you shave off 9 months worth of beard.
You are a normal person.
And talk over a 4-year-old.
Matt, you are a normal person.
Alright. See you later.